We can't get to the fire because they say it's the wind too high, so we can't get to the fire. It's dangerous.
See, look, that would have been us.
Oh, look at that.
Look, Auntie Trey.
All the ashes back though. Oh, all the ashes coming. Everybody running. Everybody scalloping. Oh, wee. What's up, Myhouse TV? Hey man, we down here in Lake Worth, Florida. About to get ready to go do this little bonfire on the beach, man. We about to get ready to go on the beach. Yeah, you ready to go on the beach and do this bonfire? Man, about to have some little s'mores and everything going, so I'm about to take you out there. It's dark out here, but we're gonna have to try to get whatever we can get. Alright, let's go. There's the family. There they go. There they go. There go everybody. Oh. Wow. Made it to the beach. The beach sand people out here. It's dark as heck. Look all out there. It's dark as heck. And we go over here, the fam over here got the fire over there. Oh yeah. Got the fire over there. The big bonfire is huge, people. Everybody go in there and dip in there and make their s'mores. Go sit down and chill. They got the volleyball going that night. Oh my. Yeah boy. There she go. There she go right now. Look at that, man. Hey, the huge bonfire. That thing is huge, people. Oh, we're getting them. Ooh, they're getting that chocolate. Getting that chocolate. Hey bro, it's okay. Alright, there you go. Get that thing together, girl. You got some? Oh, you eating your chocolate. I know you just gonna eat your chocolate anyway. You know you shouldn't just eat your chocolate. Ooh, the good marshmallows. Let me just get mine right now.
Yeah, it's already in the square. I thought that was cool. Just in case. Lion didn't come through.
You coming to get yours? You coming to get yours?
Yeah.
You coming to get yours?
Got it. Take the whole thing. Sorry.
No.
Sorry.
You already ate your chocolate. Ooh, that's a fat s'more, girl.
Marshmallow and chocolate, but if your marshmallow was melted, if it was hot, then you melt the chocolate.
You ate yours? No. What happened?
I was telling her what a s'more is.
Oh.
But I said if the marshmallow was melted, it would melt the chocolate into a
Yeah. We can't get to the fire because they say it's the wind too high, so we can't get to the fire. It's dangerous. So we gotta eat our s'mores like this, but it's all good as long as we all together having fun, people. You having fun? Yeah, you jamming with the music? Yeah, look at Kaya. You jamming? I see you, Kaya, over there jamming with the music. Yeah, this was I see. Yeah. How's that s'more? It's good? Delicious? Yeah, we still passing it out. I gotta get me meat. Gotta get me. What up, homie? Yeah. We getting it going over here. Over here getting all the blankets and stuff spread out. We can sit down and chill and eat our s'mores. All the cousins out here, man. We packed out here. We deep. We deep.
See, look, that would have been us right now.
Oh, look at that.
Look, Auntie Trey.
All the ashes back though. Oh, all the ashes coming. Everybody running. Everybody scalloping. Oh, wee. S'mores and stuff out here to go. What you got in that bag? Yeah, I think we're gonna do this morning and come back to the
If y'all want to jump down, y'all gonna have to go.
What's that? That's the knife? Oh, they got the pretzels going. Ooh, yummy.
Snapchat.
And we out here just vibing, just having a little fun. Yeah. What you doing, bro? You sleeping? Sleepy. What's up, girl? You got sand in your eye. Oh, shoot. What y'all over here doing? Oh, shoot. Oh, y'all making a mound, huh? A little mountain? Ooh. See y'all, they made a dirt mountain. Ooh, I see y'all. You ain't making you no dirt mountain? No? Uh-oh. Yeah. We're making more? Making a mountain? Oh, my bad. What they over here doing? Yeah, I'm making a... Oh, you making a... She making a hole for you. There you go. She gotta use the bathroom. Yeah, boo. Come on, make the hole. She gotta
This
boo.
is their sand castle.
Oh, that's they said sand council?
Yeah, I just mixed it up.
Oh, shoot. Everybody making something. Look at that. What y'all making over here? Y'all making a bathroom over here too?
No, we're making a ramp.
Oh, a ramp.
Stop. We got this.
Y'all gonna, oh, y'all gonna run in it or something? Run in it. Y'all gonna,
I can.
you say you making a ramp? What's the ramp for?
No.
And what you making? You just digging?
We should make a ramp.
Just digging.
They're making a bathroom.
Oh, yeah, they gotta use the restroom over here. Stomach hurt over here. Making a sand bathroom. That's your sand castle? Y'all know it got to be like moist.
Yeah, we can't go over there.
What kind of sand castle is that? I'm making a sand hill.
Where's my water? Where's my water?
Now, what you doing? Dang, you throwing that thing like a dog. What's wrong with you?
You guys gotta watch people behind you.
They buried it. Sorry.
I gotta be moist.
Okay, big castle. You got the big castle. That's the flag. What's that?
You done messed up my handprint.
That's the flag. You'll kick it off.
You're not gonna kick it over, Travis. No.
You're gonna kick it. Oh, he about to kick the water bottle off.
Y'all gonna kick it over?
No. Okay. It went somewhere nice. Oh, wow. What did you accomplish with
A
that?
hole.
What did you accomplish with
It's a
that? Oh,
volcano.
making a hole. Oh, shoot, they did make a. Oh, they got a volcano. Huh? Oh, you did make a seashell. Oh, shoot, look at you getting all creative. Dang, she made her a seashell. Nice. Look at you. You act like you was born down here, like she was born to do this.
There ain't none on my butt.
When you jump up. No.
I got this. Don't move it. Ready, don't move. No, go. That's easy. Yeah, stand up straight. No. Stand up straight. That's easy though. Come on, stand up straight. Right there. That's so easy. No, that's so easy. Okay, but I don't need to stay in my head. I don't need to stay. I only got to stand on my feet. Turn around. If I hit your head, I'll give you $1. No, turn around. No, stand up. I got this. Are you ready? All right. I told you I had it.
Leapfrog. Leapfrog.
Stop it.
All right, mommy, your turn.
This is
No, leapfrog.
Oh, you just dirt. You put a lot of dirt on her hair.
Yeah, when you jumped up.
And Savannah head.
Dang, look at that deep hole. Y'all trying to find some water? Y'all trying to find some water?
No, we're making a big one for every.
So everybody can sit in there?
So 3 people can fit.
So everybody can sit in there? Nice. Well, y'all gonna need to make that wider then.
I know that's what we're doing.
Nice.
You can't just keep eating
Good job. Probably when they got some water. Let's see her volcano. Oh, look at that volcano. Oh, she got a sand volcano. Oh, shoot. Oh, he got some sand. Yeah. Huh? Huh? You got a trick? What's the trick? Okay. Nice. Oh shoot, y'all about to fall. Yeah, boy. Hey, we out here making the best out of this windy, beachy day, man. The bonfire didn't go how we thought. We didn't get to put the marshmallows in there, but guess what? They were still good, and we still having fun. Beach with no sun. Look at it. You what? Yeah, you are. Oh, that's big. That's real big. I look like a volcano for real. Like a mountain or something. Alright, we got some help over here. Is it some good light for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I was just making sure. I'm videotaping too though a little bit.
This is for
That's getting real deep. Yeah, that's big. Yeah. All right. Need some light. Hold on. I'm trying to videotape them real quick. Oh, look at that. Nice. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I love it. Man, look at that. Oh, you missed the feet. Oh, you missed your feet getting buried. Oh, you got out? Oh. Dang. Oh, he got his feet out. Taylor.
Taylor, be careful.
No more.
Put in their eyes.
Everybody just knows the hole.
Man.
I'm thinking.
Oh, okay.
We should make another hole now.
Oh, they did pretty good. Y'all did pretty good. Y'all did good. And real quick, y'all say, hey, real quick, y'all say hi to Myhouse TV.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, you can't get out?
I almost got stuck. Let
Yeah.
me out. I'm getting signal.
You can't get out?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I'll take you back out. Come on. I'll take you back out.
Oh, he got out.
We got it. Yes.
Nice. Good job. All right, Myhouse TV. Hey, man, we had a nice time at our bonfire. Hey, kids, y'all had fun back there?
Yeah.
Man, y'all was playing in the sand, meeting kids, doing, oh, man, building sand castles. Yeah, I know. Hey, digging holes. What you out there doing, bro? Yeah. No. Grandma had fun out there. You had sand in your butt?
Sand in the butt.
Sand in the butt now. Oh, man. So, hey, thank y'all for watching. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. All right, y'all. See y'all next time.
TV.
I'll holla.